Hey, what's going on, guys? So in for repair today, I have an iPad and I will show you guys what's going on with it. It's actually, well, I'll tell you guys right now and then I'll show you afterwards. It's a backlight issue. You can't see the small components because they're very small, but I'll go ahead and show you guys that underneath the camera. All right, so here we are underneath the camera. You can see those two components that are like charcoal burnt. And you can see like a little burn spot on the board. Those are the damaged component. We're going to go ahead and remove those and replace them with some new ones. Those are filters. Let's go. All right, I'm going to try to show you guys what's actually happening here. Maybe we'll be able to get it on screen. So I disconnected my pry tool, and let's see if it'll turn on, and maybe you'll be able to see the dim Apple logo, and there it is. It flashes on and turn back off. Let's see if it does that again, which is I've never seen a backlight issue like this before. Usually it just doesn't work, and there it is. You hear it turn on, but you don't see anything on the screen. And you hear that? That's the Apple chime that lets you know that the tablet is on. You just can't see anything on the screen. So that's how you kind of get an idea of maybe you have a backlight issue, is when you plug up your iPad and it makes a chiming sound, but you don't see anything on the screen. You might have a backlight issue, or it could just very well be that it's kind of just like timed out and it's kind of like in a sleep. So you just in a sleep state. So you just have to hold maybe the home button and a power button, and that will get it out of that state. So I showed you guys the components that I see that's damaged. Let's go ahead and let's replace them. All right, so we're going to start removing them first, and then we will replace them. Keep the pads. Looks bad, but not as bad as that one. You know, this component is actually damaged, but got one that does not understand the assignment. Get in place. All right, so after a long waiting and a lot of time spent trying to solder the component, I finally got it on there. All right, so let's go ahead and connect up our screen and let's test and see what's going on now with this. Make sure that you guys can see that. Yep. I don't know if it's gonna work or if we're gonna hear a pop because the filter is gonna blow again because something else is wrong, but let's find out. Or nothing because it's not plugged up. And now the Apple logo is staying on, so that's a good sign. And there it is, back and working. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.